Today I will be talking to you about the manufacturing process of smartwatches. But before we begin, have you ever wondered on how a smartwatch, which you might have, is made? You may have to scramble all the equipment into your smartwatch properly and carefully. This may seem hard, and we are going to dive into the world of tech to find out. Today we will be talking about the production of the smartwatches at StarMax Factory, China. The first process is designing and prototyping. Designing will mostly focus on its outside appearance, but must also meet environmental standards. Second step, component sourcing after finalizing the design. Sourcing out the main equipments is the project such as the watch case, sensors, and display, which are essential to the reliability and performance. Third step, PCB assembly. PCB assembly involves soldering and connecting these components to make a functional circuit board. Fourth step, software development. StarMax offers app customization and SDK customization for bulk smartwatch orders, which allows for the personalization of branded OEM/ODM products. Fifth step, assembly and testing. With the PCB and software alongside watch case, etc. will be assembled, and functionality checks will be covered. Sixth step, quality control and packaging. A second step of testing was introduced to avoid errors. After successfully passing the quality control test, the smartwatches will be packaged in boxes and sent to stores in the area.